Welcome to the Department of English.
Welcome to Northeast University and especially to Department of English. In contradiction to prevailing ideas, literature is not just about emotion and abstraction. Nowadays, literature encompasses everything under the sun. The study of literature is not confined to a single discipline or a single region. English literature today refers to much more than the literature of England and America. It also refers to all the literature written in English language in different parts of the world. Now, the study of English literature covers questions linked to self and identity, cultural and media studies, post-colonial studies, translation studies, and much more. Access to different cultures, different thoughts, all combine to enrich one's perception of the other and also of the self. This allows for a greater understanding of the human condition. We are here to encourage our students to go for the knowledge and make them fit for the global challenges. We hope you join us in our indomitable quest for knowledge and endeavor to understand the human condition with an enlightened perception that no other single discipline can offer. Thank you, everyone.
Northeast University Bangladesh, education with innovation.